Hi, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Birmingham. Today I've got for you a 72 plate Hobby Vantana Deluxe. It has loads of storage in the front, a large garage in the back, which transforms into a double bed that can be fixed. It's in absolutely immaculate condition. It's got a kitchen, bathroom, Wi-Fi, panoramic roofs. Don't you get yourself a motorhome, get yourself a new hobby. If you like what you see today, please follow us, like our video, or better still, come down and see us at TMD.